Hi guys, in this video we talk about Vivo IQOO Neo 9 versus Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $399. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $499. The body dimensions: the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 height 6.44 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8 mm. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro height 6.44 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8 mm. The weight of these devices: the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 190 gram and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro 196 gram. The build: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type of the devices: the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the same Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is same 6.78 inches. The resolution of the devices: the both devices come with 1.5K screen resolution, and the PPI density: the both devices come with 453 PPI density, and the refresh rate is same 144 Hz in both devices. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with 89.7% screen to body ratio, and the both devices come with Gorilla Glass protection. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with 2000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro come with the dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with dual camera setup 50K 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The front camera of the devices: the both devices come with 16 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 1080p 30 fps video record. Let's go to the platform. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3, and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro come with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 4nm chipset. The Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with Adreno 740, and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro come with a Motorola G720 GPU, and the both devices come with Android 14 Origin OS 4 operating system. Let's go to the memory. The both devices come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage is same 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both devices. The battery backup of the devices: the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro come with 5160 mAh battery, and the same Vivo IQOO Neo 9 come with 5160 mAh battery, and the both devices come with 120W fast charging, no wireless charging supported, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 Pro got 24 points and the Vivo IQOO Neo 9 got 21 points.